I was sent this digital microscope to do a review. So let's go over a few things. So it came packaged really well. It came with a USB-C cord so that we can hook it to the computer, and it was a charging cable. This is to put slides under, and it came with a couple slides to test out. So we'll look at that too. It has got this little tweezers and a 32 gigabyte mini SD card or micro SD card. And then this is a little container that you can put things in to look at under the microscope as well. So we'll give that a try. And then of course the unit, and it has good instructions and a bag to store it. So this little guy is really cool. I was playing with it yesterday, and it is amazing at how well this will zoom in on things. You can see here, if I get it close enough over here, you can see how it zooms in on those fibers. And there's actually two here because you can do it on the bottom as well to get your clarity here. So let's get started with this little guy. So I should point out the name of this. It's JOYALENS, JOYALENS. And as you can see, it is very good here for getting your microscopic views. It goes in and out here as well as here, zoom in and out. So let's get started on a couple things here. I'll tip this up so you can see it. This microscope came with a couple lenses, and wow, it is incredible how this zooms in. This is a worker bee leg, and as you can see here, it is tiny, tiny, and it is really zooming in well on this. So let's get it in here where you can see it. All right, I also like to look at the detail of jewelry that I've made. So let's see if I can fit this under. No, I can't fit it under, but let's go over here, and I want to see, you know, how well I did on my jump rings here, putting them together. So let's zoom in on this as well, and you can get up close and personal with this to see how well I put the findings together. So it works really well on jewelry as well. There you go. I'm not quite a steady hand here. I should have it sitting down on one of the containers, but you get the idea here. And then here, my husband with his coin collecting, it is just amazing for this to get detail here on these coins. You can see clearly, you know, sorry, I've got some reflection here going. See if I can turn this a little bit so that you're not getting that reflection. But it gets, you want to have it down on the sturdy base so that you can get really good on zooming in there. And as you can see, that is just incredible precision on this microscope. So now I've got the micro SD card in, and I wanted to show you, hopefully the light isn't blocking this too much here. I'll turn it a little bit. So I have the slide of the pine in there, and it's got some modes on it. And right now it's set to record, so you can record. So there it's recording. And then you can go to just the picture mode, and you can take pictures. And of course, you can upload these to a laptop or a computer to put in a presentation, or you can hook it right to it and show on a larger screen. This is an incredible little device for the price. I highly recommend this. This is good for children. It's good for adults. It's good for so many hobbies. It's just a great little device for the money. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.